Welcome to the last and final day of spending the holidays with Too Faced. Today is day 4, and I'm ending this series off with one of my favorite palettes. I thought the chocolate bar palette was my favorite, but I think the sweet peach palette is my favorite. I created this look with this palette today. I love it. Out of all 4 looks, this is the one that this is like my go-to look. This is what I would do for like a holiday event, Christmas party, even a New Year's Eve party. This is what I do. This is what I would do. I think it's so pretty, so sultry. Graham! You guys see what I have to deal with every day, all the time. He's crazy, non-stop. But yeah, this would be my go-to holiday event look. I love it. It's sultry, it's pretty, and I think it's just perfect for an event, you know? Before I get into the tutorial, of course, I'm going to share with you guys what the giveaway prize is. The main gift is a Too Faced chocolate bar palette. Of course, I had to include this. This is a brand new palette. You have the names of the shadows on the palette, which is awesome. Brand new. Oh, beautiful. I'm also throwing in a pair of Too Faced false lashes and a Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Those are the 3 main gifts, and then I have a couple other things that I'm going to throw in, a couple face masks, just like little things, nothing crazy. That's why I'm not going to show it to you guys, but I am throwing in some more little goodies. And then I am going to customize either a wine glass like this. This is not the exact one. This is mine. But I will customize a wine glass for you. I can put your name like across it. I'll show you examples here on the screen. I think it's so pretty. But if you don't drink wine, or if you don't want this glass, you can also choose a Starbucks reusable cup. And then I will do the same, put your name here in pretty vinyl. You guys can pick whatever vinyl color you want, and I'll just put your name right here on the back. If you guys don't, whoever wins, if you don't drink an iced coffee, and if you want the hot reusable mug or cup, whatever it's called, I will go to Starbucks and I'll buy the hot one, and then I'll customize that one if you want. But those are your 3 choices, and I thought that would be really cute. I don't know, I love using my Cricut, so I wanted to just include a cute little like personalized thing for you guys. Giveaway rules, quick and simple. Number 1, you have to be a subscriber, of course. Number 2, I want you to leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite videos to watch are on YouTube. I am always interested in knowing what people like to watch, so for me, I love vlogs, I love makeup tutorials, and I love hauls. Those are like my 3 favorites. So leave that down below. And then the 3rd and final thing, I want you guys to follow me on Instagram. I post a ton there. I post makeup tutorials, eyeshadow tutorials, and I feel like you guys would really enjoy my Instagram. So my Instagram is AllThatFresh. I always put it in my YouTube videos, and in your comment you have to include your Instagram handle, or else I won't know if you followed me or not. So after answering the question, make sure you put your Instagram handle, and then that is it. I'm only gonna have this giveaway open for just a couple days. I will leave the closing date in the description box, but I really wanted to get this gift out before Christmas, but there's just no way. So I want to at least have it for whoever the winner is, like right after Christmas. So I'm going to close it in a couple days, and then I will announce the winner within 1 to 2 days. So like right when it closes, I'm not going to have the winner for you guys yet. I had a lot of people in my last series, Naked for 5 days. There were a lot of people that were like, who's the winner? Who's the winner? Like right away. But give me a couple days. I'll announce the winner in the description box, and I will also announce the winner on Instagram. So I think that's everything. If I forgot anything, description box, guys, that's where everything is going to be, rules, everything. So that's all. I just again want to say thank you to everybody who has supported my channel. I've been doing this for a really long time, and I'm still a very small channel, which I don't mind. This is a hobby for me. Oh my god, I can't even talk. This is a hobby for me. It's a passion of mine, and I will keep doing this. I love it. Every time like I take a little break and I get those comments from you guys like, where have you been? Are you okay? What's going on? It just makes me love this so much more. So thank you all really so much for supporting me. It means the world to me. So enough blabbering. I can barely speak. That's all I want to say, guys. Enjoy this last tutorial, and if you have any ideas of what a new series for me could be, let me know. I'm open. I'm totally open. I have no clue, but I do want to do another series. I'm just like, I don't know what to do. So that's all that I have for you guys. Let's jump into the tutorial. Alright, so I'm starting off with Georgia, picking it up on my Sigma E40, and I'm blending the shade back and forth into the crease. This is my transition color. So here I'm picking up Summer Yum, which is a really pretty warm orangey color, great for a transition or even a crease color. So I picked that up, putting it in my crease and in my outer V, going back and forth, making sure it's perfectly blended and smooth. I don't want any harsh lines, so you guys know the drill. So ever since the chocolate gold tutorial, I feel like I could use black eyeshadow all the time. So that's what I'm doing today. I picked up Tempting, which is a black shimmer, and I added one layer, as you can see here. After that, I blended that black out. I don't want any harsh lines, like I said before, so I'm building up the color and then I'm blending it out. I'm gonna build it up again, just so everything is nice and smooth. Of course, I'm using one of my famous Rimmel brushes. I swear, guys, this is the best little brush ever. It gets into all of my eye creases. It's just amazing. I will buy this brush off of them if they sold it individually. It comes in like their larger palettes. It has a sponge tip on the other end. It's not like a luxurious brush at all, but it's just so good. I can't get enough of it. So here I'm picking up some of Bellini. I put MAC Fix Plus on my brush first, and then I picked it up, put it all over my lid, up to where the shimmery black is. And then I went ahead and picked up Luscious, put that right in the inner corner just to give some brightness there. And then just making sure I don't have any harsh lines, I blended that shimmery black in with my lid shades, and then I was good to go. That's it. Okay, you guys know what time it is. Concealer time. Using my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpted concealer, my favorite concealer. So glad this series gives me like an excuse to use it every single day. So yeah, just cleaning up my eyeshadow edges, concealing my under eyes, and then we're moving on to also blending out my edges with that shade, this really light shade. It's called Peaches and Cream. Just blending that out. Just, you know, things were looking a little harsh, so I just blended it out real quick. And then we're gonna move on to lining my upper lash line with Tempting, which is the dark shimmery black. I just wanted to add a little bit of depth, you know, so I decided to just do that really quickly. This doesn't have to be perfect. It's like more on the sultry side. So then I lined my outer third of my lower lash line with the black, Tempting, and then I blended all of that out with Summer Yum, which was the second shade that I used. And then I'm going to move on to mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then once my mascara is on, guys, the tutorial is complete. I really enjoyed this series. I'm upset that I didn't do more videos because you guys know I love Too Faced. I could have done at least 5 more. Oh, I forgot that I added in a little bit of Sage Gold by PIXI. This is my favorite eyeliner. Just to give my eyes a little bit of extra pop, I use this eyeliner. You can use whatever eyeliner that you want, or you don't even have to use eyeliner. But I use that. I feel like it really makes my eyes pop. So now this is the end. So yeah, I really wish I would have done more videos, but let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. Let me know if there's another series I should do. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to read down below in the description box for the rules for this giveaway. That's all that I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.